Morning children, we are going to start with next chapter today, future tense. What is a future tense? It is a verb form that describes an action or event that has not happened yet but is expected to happen. Future tense is marked by the use of the auxiliary will or shall. For example, I think India will win this match. Do you think he will join us for dinner? We shall wait for the bell to ring. So what is the rule for simple future tense? It is use of will, shall plus with subject plus base form of the verb and then the object. Where do we use the simple future tense? When we forecast or predict actions in the future, we often use verbs and expressions like I think, I expect, I believe, I hope. Examples are they think they will be able to come, I'm sure she will refuse this offer. Next type is the future continuous tense. We use the future continuous tense to talk about an action or a situation that we think will be continuing at a particular time of the future. And what is the rule for this future continuous? Use of will plus be plus ing form of the main verb. For example, I will be watching TV at 8 o'clock. They will be hosting a party tomorrow. I shall be visiting my grandparents next week. Will plus be plus ing and main verb form. Next type is the future perfect tense. The future perfect tense has the form will plus have plus past participle of the main verb. The future perfect is used to talk about an action which will happen in the future before another action in the future. Let us understand this with this picture. Past time is 5 o'clock, present time means it is 6 o'clock. Let's suppose in future time it is 9 o'clock. I will have finished dinner by 9 o'clock. Talking about an action which will happen in the future before another action in the future. Some more examples of future perfect are we will have reached Mumbai by 6 o'clock tomorrow. You will have graduated in the year 2012. Last type is the future perfect continuous tense. It indicates an action which we think will be going on continuously for a given period of time in the future. It is used to talk about an action in progress before and up to a specific point of time in the future. Examples are they will get tired as they will have been traveling all day. I will have been writing this report for the entire day tomorrow. This type of tense is not used in the daily conversations. What is the structure for this sentence? It is subject plus will, have been plus verb plus ing form and object. Again repeating, will plus have plus been plus ing form of the main verb. I hope this video will help you to answer all the exercises of your chapter future tense. Thank you.